Thank you. It's a blessed day in the Matrix. If you wanna think like the elite, eat like the elite. Although that don't make no sense because the elites eat a little bit differently, but the beef, the elite beef, that's enough for me, son. When you've been battling with salmon Nutella, even though there has not been any battles, when you're doing that base science, day after day, eating that delicious raw chicken, sometimes you have to celebrate your scientific discoveries, poking the germ theory every single day, proving it false. So it's a time for a celebration. We're gonna eat this rich man steak, 80 euros per kilogram, but I got it from sale, so it wasn't that bad actually. What I like about this steak is, firstly, it looks delicious. My mouth is watering. Look at how red it is. The marbling is beautiful. The red color really, that gets me. And this steak has amazing red color. The factory farm beef, that shit has the grain fed, goyim soy sludge fed, GMO fed, bullshit grain sludge, bruh. That beef, that looks like garbage. Because that's how nature works. This beef, I bet this beef was eating raw milk and shit. But not only the red color is amazing, the fat, look at that fat. Usually they throw that shit away and you can get that fat almost free. Like I've been doing from the butcher. Or you can get it from this super expensive steak, which makes no freaking sense. So let's have it. Let's get a little bit of everything. As I thought, the fat is the best part. Look at it. But I wouldn't really pay 80 bucks a kilogram for this fat when you can get the same shit for a couple euros per kilogram. This shit makes no sense. But the protein, the protein tastes like the normal grass-fed shit. A little bit different. This is dry aged a little bit. You can taste the dry aging, the fermentation, which I do like. But come on, man. 80 bucks a kilogram for this? That's some nonsense. It's good. It's a great steak. And you get this fat. This fat looks like the best fat ever. Oh man. Now the fat. This is even better than that other fat I've been eating. Oh my god. Moment of silence, please. We have to meditate how delicious that fat was. That was the single best thing my mouth has ever tasted. Thank you. I'm getting chills. How good is nature? those beef can turn grass and other things to beautiful freaking fat. And of course we're gonna wash it down with some raw chicken. That's always delicious. Really, when you're doing the best science, you're basically doing what you love as a human being. Because as a human being, you love eating animals in their natural state. I think everybody does it. You just have to break free from the conditioning. That's the issue for most people. Man, raw chicken, you can get so much raw chicken for the price that steak was. That is crazy. This raw chicken been tasting tastier and tastier by the day. Honestly, the raw chicken is so delicious. Like, I love raw chicken. No homo. Okay, let's have a ultimate bite. After we have rinsed our mouth with raw chicken, we're gonna have some of that protein, some of the fat. First, let's take the protein and milk it again. That's the Okay, now I'm starting to see why this steak is so expensive. When you mix the fat with the protein, that was so good. And the treats, the nature's treats won't end here. We got some bone marrow, and this is the good kind. Oh my god, this is the most delicious meal of my life. Let's contemplate a little bit on that. How good it is to be doing best science away. Now guys, please like this video. Please subscribe. Please tell your NPC friends to subscribe. They might not like me straight from the get-go because they're brainwashed. They got that NPC mindset. But guys, we need those 1 million subscribers, 1 million followers at least. The goal is 7 billion. We want everybody except the curry sales. No curry sales allowed on best science. Sorry guys. Now if you gourmet curry sale, I might consider it. But anyway, we need those 7 billion followers, so I can start eating these steaks every single day. Actually, I can kind of do it very easily, because now I get this fat. Now, might be in we might be discovering another breakthrough here at the Best Science. We have done so much already for humanity and people's taste buds, people's health, people's happiness, well-being, looks maxing of your children, looks maxing of your children's children, We have done so many discoveries in just 200 days plus. But we are on the verge of another big one, because this fat I've been eating has unlocked a new level of existence in this reality for me. But we're gonna talk about that later in some other video. But that's just a little teaser. That fat might be worth the $80 per kilogram. But then again, you can get that shit almost free from the butcher. Lucky for us, life in the Matrix ain't so bad. Too bad we don't have that meaning though. We're chilling in the Matrix. We're chilling in the Matrix. We're just missing that meaning over here. The core that holds everything together. We're just missing that shit. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at that fat, that's so yellow. That tastes, let me tell you guys. Oh my god. That is an experience. I'm speechless. Life can be so beautiful, magical, awe-inspiring. Only thing you need is a little bit of that golden beef fat and raw chicken. That's the best meal out of all of the other best meals this far. If you want me to try other expensive shit, please fund the project. Fund the research or some crazy shit, which I can probably get. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of that outside of the camera, privately, because this thing right here was a religious experience. Thank you, nature. You are amazing. Namaste.